you found the right doctor and have told him or her about your pain. Don't be afraid to take what they give you. Often, it will be an opioid medication. Some patients may be afraid of taking opioids because they're perceived as too strong. That is far from actual fact. Less than 1% of patients taking opioids actually become addicted.
Talk my shit off, no. Hey, they're emphatic, my mathematics, you can't add up. So tragic, my baggage comes with no backup. Breaking patterns like splitting atoms, it ain't happening. Cycle spins, psychosis wins, the world spins. On my motherfucking dick like a whirlwind. Devilish sins, devilish grins. Got motherfuckers like, here we go again. This motherfucker's strength can never stop for not. Too toxic. Send his ass off to the doctor. Between the zany and some boxes. Lost cause, lost hope here. Throw away, way too deep in this hole where he lay me down to sleep. North side shorty ride curb on creep. North side shorty don't pray where he eat. But hey, soon we'll see. A soldier by the lake, buried 6 feet deep. Less stress on me, more profit for a thief. Middle finger poking out for everyone to come and see.
Lately, I've been feeling brainwashed. Lately, I've been feeling brainwashed, like my soda rubbing against the grain. Lost in the same sauce, I would complain, but the wearing diamond chains cost more than I care to explain. Yeah. Lately, I've been feeling out of character. Bitch left 'cause I'm embarrassed, but every day I be like 1,000 fucking miles away, blowing dope out of myself. I'm the boss in the gray. Hey. Board in the plane, what the fuck is a holiday? Dreaming through the day, what word you say your my mistake? Reading the text, screenshots and mentions, wish you still hadn't wait message. Rap stress, live a life in the day, this a day in the life. I've said the